The IIM Indore final results are finally out, and congratulations to you if you've converted the call. Also, congratulations to you if you're in the waitlist. In this video, my objective is to tell you that what will be the waitlist movement, what is the waitlist movement trends of the last 3 years at IIM Indore. Also, I'll take you through some very important insights in terms of IIM Indore's placement and the summer placements and the final placements. बहुत interesting बातें करूंगा मैं और अंत में ले जाऊंगा waitlist की ओर. If you don't know me yet, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher. I'm the founder of Freedom, where I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on places. Moving on to what is important, that what has been IIM Indore like. Now, this is the latest placement reports which is there from IIM Indore, and you can see that the average CTC is 29.57 LPA, almost 600 students, and there have been upwards of 200 recruiters at IIM Indore. Now, with a 29.5, see again, this is clearly above an IIM Shillong, obviously, उसका कोई comparison भी नहीं है, and this is somewhere near about your IIM Kozhikode, Indore. That's why a lot of times people also have confusions between IIM Kozhikode and Indore. Usually people select a Kozhikode, but this is strong. These are strong numbers coming in from IIM Indore. Moving on to the next one, sector wise placement breakdown is extremely important for you to truly understand कि यार मेरा एस्पिरेशन जो है क्या वो इस बी स्कूल में मीट हो रहा है या नहीं. अगर आपके पास ऑप्शंस होते हैं बहुत सारे बी स्कूल्स के, तो ये फिर आपके लिए स्लाइड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है समझना कि आपके लिए सेंसिबल चॉइस क्या है जाने के लिए. तो दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव दिस फॉर यू. नाउ द हाईएस्ट, द मोस्ट प्लेसमेंट्स हैव बीन इन कंसल्टिंग, व्हिच इज ग्रेट. आई थिंक दैट इज द हॉलमार्क ऑफ अ गुड इंस्टीट्यूशन कि आपकी मेजॉरिटी प्लेसमेंट्स उन रोल्स में हो रही है जो विच आर द मोस्ट सॉट आफ्टर रोल्स, व्हिच इज कंसल्टिंग एंड फाइनेंस. सो दैट इज दैट. एज मच एज 35% ऑफ द प्लेसमेंट्स आर इन कंसल्टिंग, followed closely by general management and operations, which is 26.5%, which is row number 3. Then you have a finance, and then you have sales and marketing. Again, finance, what kind of finance roles are there, what kind of organizations, whether the kind of organizations you want to be in, whether they are coming in at IIM Indore or not, that is very important, that you have to move beyond my video. You have to go to their placement reports and have to read their placement reports. उसका कोई substitute नहीं है. मैं यहाँ पे कोई placement snapshot दिखा इसलिए रहा हूँ ताकि आपको broadly पता हो कहाँ जा रहे हैं, बट आपकी detailed analysis, especially अगर आप confused है, तो बहुत जरूरी हो जाती है. Moving on from there, let me give you some summer placement statistics because they're because the numbers are truly good. Now, the average stipend for 2 months, तो इकट्ठे 2 महीने में जितना मिलता है आपको, उसका average stipend latest is 2.25, which is very good. Highest stipend for the 2 months has been 6.6, and you know that this is a very strong number. So this is something which is good. Now I'll take you through the wait list. But you know what you have to understand is the reason why I put this summer internship slide is that summer placements, the interviews for that will start immediately. आप जब जाएंगे बी स्कूल के अंदर, उसके 4-6 हफ्ते के अंदर आपकी सीवी फ्रीज हो जाएगी. आप तब सीवी में कोई चेंज नहीं कर पाएंगे, और उसके 4-8 हफ्ते बाद समर प्लेसमेंट इंटरव्यूज शुरू हो जाएंगे. जरूरी है आप प्री एमबीए एक्टिविटीज अभी से करना शुरू कर दें. फॉर दिस आई हैव क्यूरेटेड अ फुल कोर्स कॉल्ड हाउ टू बी स्कूल. इट इज द perfect pre-MBA program to start from right now because it has 4 sub courses in it. In how to be school, I give you a walk through कि IIM इंदौर के अंदर होता क्या है, classroom, academics में आप अच्छा कैसे कर सकते हैं, very practical advices, networking, friendships. I've spoken about even romantic relationships. But anyways, extra curricular activities, clubs, committees, placecom, summer placement, final placement, resume prep, all of that in one course called MBA Specialization Selector. I talked to you about what specializations could suit you so that you can start preparing in that direction. जरूरी है. Also, then there's a course called MBA Concept Crashers. First year के concept सारे difficult जो subject होते हैं ना, statistics, operations, finance, जो शायद समझ ही नहीं आते, उसके इतने easy lessons बना दिए मैंने कि at least एक starting point मिल जाएगा तुम्हें, तो great है. ये कर लो, don't miss that out. The link of that is in the description. If your parent watching this, you know that this is important for the kid, so please let him or her do that. That's that. Now moving on to the next one, which is the waitlist movement at IIM Indore. Now this is the PGP waitlist movement of the last 3 years. You can see this, that the last year the general waitlist movement was as much as 465, and then you have for all the categories over here, and for the last 2 years it has gone up to 600 as well. So 605, 604. Broadly the idea is now not to speculate based on this. Broadly the idea is to just see it, and मोटा माटी तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा कि हाँ क्या है भाई. अब अगर तुम्हारा नंबर कोई within 300 है, तो you have a strong chance of getting into IIM Indore. अगर नंबर upwards of 400-500 है, तो फिर then obviously you are right at the edge of it. We don't know whether it will happen or not. My dear friends, my objective in this video and all of these videos is to bring out information to you and to be there for you. In the comments, let me know what is your waitlist number, what are you feeling. If you want to talk to me more, then join my free Telegram group and वहाँ पे हम बात कर सकते हैं. उसके अलावा अगर आपको one on one बात करनी है, book a call with me and let's talk about that. My dear friends, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot and goodbye.